what would be the proper manner by which the House of Representatives should tackle, should there be a second impeachment complaint? The stricter rules that the Supreme Court had made with its decision, or the old rules?
Well, the way I look at it, the new rules will practically kill the impeachment because there will be a hearing at the plenary level, and that will take time. And it's what will be conducted at the Senate level will be first conducted at the plenary level in the House. So it's really a redundancy. So I think the House should raise it again in the Supreme Court that if you do this, practically you cannot impeach anyone anymore because of the timeline. Because if you have a hearing at the plenary level, there's not enough time. The Constitution gives the plenary only, I think, if I recall correctly, about 3 session days to submit it to the Committee on Justice. So there's really no time to conduct a hearing.